Hi, my name is Smith. I'm going to explain about Java Fxml. The introduction. Fxml is XML-based declarative markup language used to define the user interface of JavaFX applications. It simplifies UI design by allowing developers to separate the visual layout for the application's logic. This importance a cleaner, more organized code base and facilitates collaboration between designers and developers. And next, going to do Fxml structure. The Fxml uses a hierarchical structure to represent the scene's paragraph elements corresponding to JavaFX UI components. Example button, label, text field, and attribute set their properties. Example text and pay preferred with like that. And layout contents are like VBox, HP box, and grid pane and cursor pane are used to arrange UI elements. And control classes. The control class is linked to the fxml file using the fx controller attribute to the root element of the fxml. And next, example code. In this example code version is the sample example code for Java fxml structure. And next we go to attributes of Java fx. Uh, the Java attributes. Fx attribute declared map to properties of the JavaFX UI component. For instance, a button element if fxml can have text and accent attribute that correspond to the text and on accent properties of the button classes in Java. In sample code, button text equal to click me on accent like that. That's it. Next, connecting fx with Java code. Connecting an XML file with Java code in a JavaFX application primarily involves using a controller. And the fxml loader. Define the controller in fxml. In our fxml file, specify the controller class that will handle the logic for that fxml file using the fx controller and attribute on the root element. Next, example code. This example code explaining the fx how to creating the button and working in Java XML. Next, styling Java program. Styling a Java FX application using FXML primarily involves applying CSS cascading style sheets like to control the appearance of UI elements. This can be achieved through external CSS files, inline styles, or by directly setting cycles properties on individual nodes. External CSS files like create CSS file application.css in your project, then define CSS rules with this file, targeting element by their classes ID or type. And it's over. It's the basic concept of Java XML. Thank you.